Now, the Sure-Shot, I'm going to go ahead. We've had some requests showing how to fill the Sure-Shot, but first let me go over real quick what comes included in the Sure-Shot. You have the gun, you have a spare seal in here, we have 2 tips, and then we have a lid for it. Nice thing about the Sure-Shot is you don't have to clean the whole gun after every use. You simply pull the tip off and clean it and put the cap on and put it in your toolbox. It's sealed in there. There's no air that's going to get to that. So I've pulled my Sure-Shot out after 2 or 3 months sitting in my toolbox and put a nice clean tip on. Works just fine. So now let's get to the filling part. Now I take the tip off. Make sure the plunger is all the way down, and you just plunge it right into the Peel-Tek. And then begin to draw, slowly draw. And if an air pocket develops, I just kind of wiggle it around a little bit, you know. Okay, now, what I do, I just take my finger, kind of clean that off, and I'm just going to rub it on the concrete there because I'll peel it up later. Because wherever you put it, you can just peel it back off later. And now, this is a lure lock tip, so it's just a little push and a twist, and that tip is on. And as you can see, now sometimes I'll have this a little too tight. You can adjust the tension of the seal in here by twisting this left or right. And you can see that comes out. Let me draw a little line for you here. We'll just let that dry. So anyway, that's how you fill a Sure-Shot. There you go.